I'm not sure if this is how you're spending your weekend, but for us, we're having our business meeting on this boat in Subic Bay. Thought we'd combine a little business with pleasure. Subic Bay is only about 2 hours out of Manila. Now, we're here discussing the Tropical MBA program, and you can find that online at tropicalmba.com. I'm here with my partners in that. I'm here with Dan and Sean. Sean's here from Thailand joining us, and we're deciding who's going to join us in this tropical paradise for semester 2 of the Tropical MBA.